If you are using MacBook, do you know how to quickly open Macintosh HD in your macOS Finder to access all your files and drives easily? So let's see how we can do this thing. Generally, when you have Mac, a brand new Mac, or you set up your Mac from the beginning, you will not see any Macintosh HD here or somewhere. So how we can find that? So at first we need to open the Finder. This is the Finder icon. We can click here, Finder will be opened. There is another way. We can open Finder. We can click this Spotlight Search and then start typing Finder over here. And you will see the Finder is there. We can also click here. The Finder will be opened. Now here there is nothing like Macintosh HD, right? So to see that, we need to click this Go button, Go menu. I'm going to click it and it will be expanded this type of options. From here we have to choose Computer. Once I click Computer, we'll see that Macintosh HD is there, and now we can access it. We can access the files, folders, everything, and we can see everything is over there. Now how to enable this thing here or sidebar? To do this thing, we need to go Finder, then Settings, and inside these settings you will see on checkbox is hard disk. Under General, you just need to click this and then you'll see the Macintosh hard disk is on the desktop. Same way, if you want to show it in the sidebar, you can go Sidebar and then you have to search the hard disk. So you will find somewhere here hard disk. Here is the hard disk. We just need to check this box also, and then you will see the Macintosh hard disk is there. Now we can close this thing, and now you can also close this thing. Now you can directly go to Macintosh hard disk by double clicking over there. It will be accessed like that. Or another way, you can open the Finder, then you can click it, then you can access all the files or folders for your hard disk. And that's it. In this way we can easily and quickly open Macintosh hard disk in macOS Finder